Rich, any other vendors out there, okay, I'm only the sound part, okay? But any camera or lighting or grip or anyone that has a business, I would suggest that you support this project for the simple reason I think it's worthwhile, and I think you'll end up getting business from it. I'm going to be donating and giving discounts for them. That's how much I believe in it. What I see in my business is a lot of independent young filmmakers, as well as old filmmakers, that are coming in, doing low budget stuff with their own money and doing documentaries and knowing family friends that they're doing biographies about, the very, very interesting New Yorkers and things like that. And it's an emerging market. I get a lot of people like that coming into my store, and I think it's a trend, and I think it'll be successful.